Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best alcohol replacement is probably one of the most exciting innovations in the beverage industry. For those seeking a sophisticated, non-alcoholic alternative, this product offers a compelling experience. Today, we're diving deep into this exciting category, exploring what makes it stand out, and whether it lives up to the hype. Get ready to discover a world of flavor and experience the future of mindful drinking. Number 5. LYRE'S Mood Powder Sampler Pack. Feeling stressed and pressed for time? This on-the-go powder can help you find your calm. Just add it to your favorite drink. This sampler pack includes 3 delicious flavors. You can mix it with water, smoothies, coffee, or tea. It's a 3-in-1 powder blend. It promotes relaxation and helps you unwind with magnesium L-threonate, adaptogens, and electrolytes. It now features 50% DV of magnesium per serving. It also includes magnesium L-threonate, passion flower, L-theanine, and electrolytes to help calm your mind and hydrate you. Each serving has 10 calories or less and contains no added sugar. It's a healthy way to relax and re-energize. What we like? This powder blend is designed to help you unwind. It features a unique combination of ingredients to calm your mind and body. If you are stressed and looking for a way to relax, you should consider this. What people say. I've tried many alcohol replacement drinks, but this one truly stands out. The taste is surprisingly good, and it has a pleasant aftertaste. It effectively provides a relaxing experience without the negative effects of alcohol. Number 4. H-Proof, the Anytime You Drink Vitamin. Drinking can deplete your body's resources. This vitamin replenishes what you lose. It supports healthy brain, liver, and body function, helping you feel your best. Developed by a board-certified medical doctor, this formula is backed by science. It supports your metabolism and liver health, restoring vital nutrients to your body. The ingredients include vitamin B6, milk thistle, and electrolytes. They work together to support your body's natural defenses and promote healthy liver function. It also helps rebalance your body. This product is made in the USA in an FDA-registered facility. It's tested for impurities and heavy metals. You can trust what you're putting into your body. Simply chew 2 tablets after your last drink. The amount you take depends on how much you've had. Take another 2 when you wake up if needed. It is that easy. What we like? This product is a vitamin designed for when you drink. It supports your liver and replenishes vital nutrients. If you are looking for a way to feel better after drinking, you should consider this. What people say. I've tried many alcohol replacements, and this one is the best. It really does the trick and helps me relax. I like the taste and the fact that it's non-alcoholic. Number 3. Seedlip Trio Bundle, Non-Alcoholic Spirits. Launched in 2015, Seedlip offers a sophisticated alternative to alcohol. It's perfect for those moderating or seeking a flavorful, non-alcoholic option for themselves or guests. Simply pour 2 ounces of Seedlip over ice with your favorite premium mixer and garnish. It's easy to create amazing alcohol-free cocktails with this product. Each Seedlip blend uses 6 natural botanicals to create its distinct flavor profile. Grow 42 is bright and citrusy, Spice 94 is aromatic, and Garden 108 is complex and herbal. Seedlip is distilled from natural ingredients and offers incredible versatility. Use it to create your take on classic cocktails or something as simple as a spritz. It is a non-alcoholic spirit. Seedlip brings sophistication to any celebration. It's the ideal gift for new parents, birthdays, anniversaries, or weddings. It is a great gift for all moments. Seedlip is calorie-free, sugar-free, and allergy-friendly. Enjoy the delicious taste without any of the guilt. This product is a healthy choice. What we like? Seedlip offers sophisticated non-alcoholic spirits with incredible flavors. It is perfect for creating cocktails or enjoying on the rocks. If you like a sophisticated alternative to alcohol, you should consider this. What people say. I've tried many alcohol replacement drinks, but this one truly stands out. The taste is surprisingly good, and it has a pleasant aftertaste. It effectively provides a relaxing experience without the negative effects of alcohol. Number 2. LYRE'S Pink London Non-Alcoholic Spirit. This is LYRE'S Pink London, a non-alcoholic spirit. It's crafted in the style of a premium pink gin. It offers a sophisticated taste without the alcohol. It captures the essence of a classic pink gin. The spirit is designed to be a perfect alternative for those who enjoy the taste of gin but prefer to avoid alcohol. LYRE'S Pink London is made with high-quality ingredients. The careful process ensures a refined and enjoyable drinking experience. Each bottle contains 6.8 fluid ounces. It's perfect for creating delicious cocktails or enjoying it on its own. This allows you to enjoy the flavor of a pink gin. It's a great choice for any occasion, offering a delightful and alcohol-free option. What we like. LYRE'S Pink London offers a premium, non-alcoholic pink gin experience. It provides the flavor of pink gin without the alcohol. If you like the taste of pink gin, you should consider this. What people say. It has a hibiscus tea-like fruity flavor to it along with some bitterness that likely was due to the quinine that's also in it. It came in a really nice-looking bottle, although it is only 7 ounces. I mixed this zero-proof pink London with tonic and could taste the berry, rose and cherry authentic London dry gin look to this small bottle. A refreshing way to have the taste of a gin and tonic, or gin and other mixer or cocktail without the alcohol. Made in Australia. Number 1. Hop WTR Classic 12-pack, sugar-free sparkling hop water. Tired of sugary drinks? This is a sparkling hop water crafted with adaptogens and nootropics. It's a healthy upgrade to your soda or seltzer, offering a refreshing experience. This zero-carb beverage is infused with a blend of Citra, Amarillo, Mosaic, and Azacca hops. The blend delivers a bold and piney flavor, similar to your favorite IPA. Each can includes a proprietary blend of adaptogens and nootropics. This features ashwagandha and L-theanine, designed to provide added benefits. It's more than just an alcohol alternative. The drink is non-alcoholic and crafted without calories, carbs, sugar, or gluten. It's a choice you can feel great about. Included are 12 cans of the classic flavor, delivering a citrusy, piney hop flavor. All flavors are sugar-free, zero-carb, and zero-calorie. What we like. This sparkling hop water is a refreshing and healthy alternative to soda. It is infused with adaptogens and nootropics. If you are looking for a sugar-free, low-carb drink with the flavor of an IPA, you should consider this. What people say. Hop WTR is a delicious and refreshing IPA alternative, especially the classic version, IMHO, crisp, citrusy, piney, and a whiff of earthiness, featuring a balanced mixture of Citra, Amarillo, Mosaic, and Azacca hops, clean, subtly complex, mouth-watering. Hop WTR has also become my favorite sparkling water for all the flavorful, healthful reasons notes, but there are beautiful bonuses. First off, 108 milligrams of vitamin C. Second, they use adaptogens, herbs and minerals that help manage stress and cortisol levels. Hop WTR is made with ashwagandha to support the ability to de-stress and unwind. Third, the Hop WTR recipe includes nootropics, supplements that boost your brain's function by targeting specific neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine. They use a 50 mg dose of mood-boosting L-theanine that is shown to improve memory, decision-making, creativity and overall cognitive performance. Hop WTR Classic is a great way to start experimenting, and then you can branch out to the fruit versions according to taste. Turns out hops play very nicely with these spirits. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.